as soon as Danny and Calvin get back, I'm going to be kicked out. So, let's go. All right, so we moved like maybe 10 feet from the tent. Tent is right there. Yo, look at this. Danny and Calvin aren't even here. Oh, they just pulled up too. Danny and Calvin just pulled up. They better get out here. This is my hand, and this is the bluegill. And my hand is pretty big. I know it's just a bluegill, but like, okay, we'll put it next to Calvin's head just to give some. Look at that. Look at that.
That's a tank.
This is.
Did you weigh it?
That's half a pound though. Yeah. That's what I said too. I said this is at least half a pound.
Oh, Danny got one.
Oh, wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh, the thing's in the way again. Woo! It's a good one!
Really?
Go,
Yeah, look!
He can't see here.
Oh.
Oh, wow.
Danny's third fish of the day.
And I still got my worm.
Yeah, you did. Put it back down there.
Oh, there's another. Feels alright. No, it's a dink. There's another one. Just gonna throw that back right away though. Oh my, there's this car that keeps going back and forth, and it's just insane. Yeah, I don't understand. Whatever, we're just gonna, there's the fish, put it back. Boop. Down she goes. Let's get her back in there.
There you go. Oh, you got him nice.
Can you move the thing? Oh, look at this guy too!
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, she has to show everybody.
No.
Look at Dante's fish!
When we see it.
Calm down, okay?
Okay, well Danny's laughing at my tiny fish, but you know what? That's fine. Okay, because this fish,
I'll get you a new one.
I'm just gonna put it back. I'm done there. Hey, you. That's not nice.
Danny's fourth. I've caught one. I've caught one.
Well, Danny's laughing at my tiny fish, but you know what?
Hey, give me my worm back that's in his mouth.
This fish.
No, I'll get you a new one.
Well,
I'm just gonna put it back. I'm through the water right now. Alright. Give me those. Yeah, I can tell my cold. Oh, my hand's all wet.
ew, he's kind of ugly. I told you I don't need the thing. That's sick.
Oh no, this keeps coming out.
There you go, fish on.
Again. Wow.
Nice. Oh, that's a decent one. It looked.
You, oh, it was that, so.
Yep. Oh. I just get a bit. Oh.
Do I still have my worm?
Yeah.
Where was it? Another one right there. There we go. We're just yoinking them up like, oh my, dude, these things are hungry.
They're chunky, dude.
They're all swallowing it. Oh boy. Yeah, that's weird. That was I'm finally catching fish after helping everybody else catch fish.
After helping Danny catch fish. Ah, there it goes. There's another one. Oh, it feels decent too. There we go. There's another one. No, there. I was just talking to the camera. Man, these snow pants are just nasty. There's one. Well, that's a chunky one for sure, but I'm not sure if that's big enough to keep. There's that one. Back in the hole. There she goes. Oh, there's another one. Again, this is just not big enough to keep anymore. Got another tiny one. So. Oh no! No, buddy. Sir. Here, let me help you out. Right there. There you go. Bye-bye. Do we got one on already? Oh my god. I just came to the spot, turned this camera on, and there's a fish on. Fish number like 20. Ow. Oh. What's that? Oh, Calvin, I got a crappie. It's decent, yeah. Oh man. Decent though. I mean, definitely not the biggest one I probably could have caught, but there's one. That means they're here. They're hungry. Maybe we can get some bigger ones. So, gonna let this guy go. Oh fudge! Take it a bit. Oh! Here we go. Here we go. There's one. There's one. Yep. There we go. There's another one.
Little bluegill.
Little bluegill. Not catching the size that we want anymore, but oh, there's a big one down there. Oh, we gotta get it. We gotta get a worm on this again, and we gotta get down there. Oh, I can't even see where the bottom is. There's so many fish. Oh, this is a small one for sure. Oh, there we go. Okay, very tiny fish right here. So, right there. Yep, barely got the jig out. All right, so after absolutely crushing fish over at the other pond, I think we caught at least 20 plus. It was insane. We're heading up to another pond that we're gonna go fish real quick. It's around 12 a.m. at this point, so still got another like 3-4 hours depending on how we feel. So it should be, I mean, it's been a good day, but it should continue to get even better. So we'll see you guys up there.
All right, well that was a bust. So the top pond that we were gonna fish this morning went into this afternoon, and we only caught one fish. Next part of this video is gonna be us cooking the fish, and, you know, making some like fish tacos or something. All right, it's been a couple days since we went fishing. Calvin had to do some stuff, get some stuff together. So we got that. He is currently preparing the fish so we can go and cook them. He can tell you all about what we're gonna do and how we're gonna cook them. I don't really know how to cook, so he's doing all that junk. So yeah, let's get cooking. All right. So all we're using is pretty much just flour, salt, and pepper, completely guesstimated. And then for the fish, you know, if you're not gonna eat it the next day, just put it in a bag of water, freeze it. So we thawed ours. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is my first time doing this, so my mom didn't answer text message, so kind of just guesstimating everything right now. So we don't know what we're doing, so please comment down below what recipes you guys have about how to cook fish. We're pretty sure we just use flour, but some people use eggs, so you know, just comment down below because we desperately need help. Thanks. Okay, so this is test number 1. We'll see if the oil's hot enough. Oh god, yeah. Is it too hot? Is not enough oil? Test number 2. Alright, so we decided to add egg, because that's what kind of the general sense was going around, because they weren't getting crispy enough. So you do fish, then you do egg, flour, and you can double dip it if you want extra crispy. We'll just do one dip. So this should work. Yikes. Oh, that's good. Alright, so you know, you can get a good shot of that. So these 3 obviously look the best because they were last. And we knew what we were doing at the end. So we're gonna make some fish tacos. We got some pico and some lettuce. Overall, cooking fish, just make sure the fish isn't flapping when you put it in the fryer. Otherwise, it's should be all right. We shouldn't die from it, but you know. All right, and then B-roll it and make the tacos. Turned out a lot better than I expected. So, guess we'll see how it tastes. Oh my, can barely fit. Oh, you got it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's really good. You gotta try some.
Alright, I'm gonna take my first bite.
Oh wow. That's good. The pico, man. It's the pico.
Mm-hmm.
You don't get in. Sorry.
Alright, thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and like down below. If you want to see more content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. See you next time. Peace out.
You want a piece? Oh, sit. Shake. Oh, one sec. Shake. Oh, good girl.